guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be very creative. I decided for DIY idea and I'll tell you what we're gonna do in a while. You probably remember my video with Labubu. I did unboxing and here we are together. So guess what's gonna happen? As I mentioned, I don't want to put her to my purse, so I decided to create for her a new home, and that's why are we here today. Are you excited? Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. So to create a display, I had to go to the store and I was looking for some display case, acrylic ideally. So I went to Michael's was the first choice. Also, I needed to find a hook which I just stick to the case. I found some. So I found case and I found hook. So this is the basis, and also I just want to make it a little bit nicer, so I also created some stickers for this case. Now you can see the whole process. So I just designed it, cut it, and now I have my stickers. So I have 2 Labubus. I have 2 Chanel logos because she is wearing the cute Chanel outfit. And I also printed her name, Hope. So now we are together to create this display. I love DIY projects. I have so many of them, mostly on my clothes, but it can be anything. Let's open this box first. I don't want to damage. This is the box. Let's open hooks, and let's open these hooks. I will need just one. I'm there. Oh, these are probably the stickers, I guess, and I will need just one. And the idea is put the hook somewhere here because she has the chain. She won't be moving in there if I put there a hook, so that's the idea. It will be a little bit challenging, I guess. So I'm just thinking, if I put the hook like in the middle or more like to the back, how would you do that? I'm thinking to put it to the middle, maybe even like this, or maybe maybe I put it to the back, whatever, I don't know. I decided to put it to the middle, so let's try. How does these stickers work? Can you tell me? Very interesting. I don't like this piece, so I just cut it. Very sticky. Now I have to try to center it, which is difficult with this small space. Not gonna measure it, I'm too lazy for that. Almost. It's not very straight, but whatever. So let's try to put her there, maybe. I told you that it's gonna be challenging. Here we are. No! She just fell from the hook. It's moving there, so it's not very good. I didn't want to just stick Labubu to the bottom because I don't like to put glue on her. This was the idea, and this is how it looks so far. She's like standing there, so not bad. And she looks pretty. And now it's time to design this display. I'm so excited for this part. It's the most fun part. So let's do this. So I'll start with the big Labubu. The idea is to put her like here. And I have the other one which was printed by accident. I wanted just one, but maybe I will put her on the other side. I don't know. Let's start with the front one. So I'll just remove Labubu for now. Let's try it. I think we are there. And let's peel it. It's very strong. She is alive. What do you think? I like it. I like it. Let's see it in a box. What do you think? I think that's cool. I don't want to throw this one. I think I'm gonna put her on the other side. So let's do this. Sticking these things is pain. I think we are there. I love creating things. Really. Always when I have opportunity to create something, I'm so happy. Yes! Wow. Now we have both sides. I like from the other side of the sticker it's silver. I like it that it's not like black or white, you know. Let's try how it looks with Labubu now. She's driving me crazy a little bit. She doesn't want to stay there. Just stay there, please. That's cool. I know she's not so much visible through the sticker, but I don't mind. There was the idea that it's very tiny, so you can still see her, but the display will have some nice design. I tried to make the sticker smaller, but the printer didn't want to print it and it was like damaged. This is the second attempt of creating this sticker, and this one is much better and much easier, so that's the reason why it's too big, but I think it's still pretty. What do you think? Also, we have a tiny name for her, Hope. I'm just thinking to put it right here. This one is the easier one, you know. Hope is alive. I mean, it's not straight, but whatever, it's DIY. It's not gonna be perfect anyway. And the last is Chanel logo, and it should go to the sides because she's the Chanel princess. I just don't know if I should put it to the middle or more like up. Let's try it. It's easy peasy. Just afraid that I can't center it like to the middle, so I'm gonna put it probably more up because here is the line, so I can just, you know, put it there straight. Then if I put it just to the middle, now we can't go back. Anyway, ta-da! Not bad, eh? She has nice display. Okay, and the last is the other logo, so let's put it there and we are done. And we can't go back. Okay, let's peel it together. Maybe. Okay, guys, we are done here. Front side with her name. This is the side, back side, and the last side. Okay, maybe I will have to adjust the hook. You know, the moving hook is not really good. I'm proud of my display. She fell off again. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I will have to adjust the hook, but for now I'm satisfied because no dust. She can live on my table now. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below what do you think about my Labubu DIY display case. How do you like my design? And let me know in the comments below if you like DIY ideas, because I'm always creating something so I can do more. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. As always, I would be really happy for a like and comment, and see you in the next video.